Did you know there are seeds so powerful they can help you rebuild muscle and protect your bones without pricey supplements or medications? In this video, we're counting down the 10 miracle seeds every adult over 60 should be eating to regain muscle strength and preserve bone density. These are easy to find, inexpensive, and best of all, backed by research and real world results. Stick around until the end, and you'll not only learn which seeds to use, but how to use them, what mistakes to avoid, and why the number one seed could transform your health if you start using it today. Let's dive in. 10. Pumpkin seeds. Feeling weaker in your legs lately? Stiff joints? Or those annoying leg cramps at night? Your body might be calling for more magnesium, zinc, and protein, three nutrients packed into one small but mighty seed, the pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, which helps maintain bone density and prevent muscle loss as we age. They're also a great source of zinc, essential for tissue repair, collagen production, and a strong immune system. Plus, they're full of healthy fats that lubricate joints and reduce chronic inflammation, the root of those nagging pains in your knees or hips. Add 1 tablespoon daily to your salads, soups, or yogurt. Eat them raw or lightly toasted, never overly salted or roasted at high heat. For bonus benefits, combine with natural collagen sources like bone broth or nettle tea. Number 9. Sunflower seeds. They may look like a snack, but sunflower seeds are serious muscle and bone fuel. They're loaded with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from age-related decline. You'll also get phosphorus and magnesium, both crucial for strong bones. And don't overlook selenium, a trace mineral that aids muscle regeneration and reduces cellular inflammation. Just 1 tablespoon a day is enough. Add to oatmeal, salads, or eat as is. Avoid fried or salted versions. They lose much of their nutrition. Pair with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges or bell peppers to enhance mineral absorption. 8. Sesame seeds. This tiny seed has been used for centuries to support bones and joints, and for good reason. Sesame seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of bioavailable calcium. They also provide magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and zinc, all vital for skeletal strength. But the secret weapon? Lignans, natural antioxidants that reduce joint inflammation and protect against degeneration. Lightly toast and grind before eating. Use as tahini, sesame paste, mix into smoothies, or spread on whole grain toast. Combine with vitamin D, foods like eggs or mushrooms to enhance calcium uptake. Number 7. Hemp seeds. These may not be in every pantry, but they're a muscle-building powerhouse. Hemp seeds are one of the few plant-based foods with complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. That's crucial for seniors, since protein synthesis slows with age. They also contain a perfect balance of omega-3 and omega-6, helping reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and ease joint stiffness. No prep needed. Just 1 tablespoon a day in smoothies, soups, or yogurt does the trick. Add lemon juice to enhance iron absorption. And no, they don't contain any psychoactive compounds. They're completely safe and increasingly popular in healthy aging diets. Number 6. Flax seeds. Do your muscles fatigue quickly or feel stiff in the morning? Flax might be the answer. Flax seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3, ideal for reducing inflammation in joints and muscles. They're also high in soluble fiber, which supports digestion and improves nutrient absorption. Women post-menopause especially benefit, thanks to flax's lignans, natural compounds with mild estrogen-like effects that protect bone mass. Always grind before eating. Whole flax passes through undigested. Use 1 tablespoon per day in water, smoothies, or soups. Try soaking for 10-15 minutes to soften. For added anti-inflammatory power, pair with turmeric or ginger tea. 5. Chia seeds. You've heard they're great for weight loss. but chia seeds do so much more. They're packed with high-quality protein, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, key nutrients to protect bones and preserve strength. Even more impressive, they contain one of the highest levels of plant-based omega-3s in the world. That means better blood flow, joint lubrication, and muscle repair. Soak 1 tablespoon in water for 15-20 minutes before eating. This releases their gel, which boosts gut health and mineral absorption. Avoid mixing with sugary juices. Combine with water or unsweetened yogurt instead. Number 4. Fenugreek seeds. Rarely used, but highly effective. Fenugreek has been used for centuries to treat joint pain, muscle weakness, and even bone loss. It contains saponins, iron, protein, and phosphorus, a combo that supports the entire musculoskeletal system. One overlooked benefit? It stimulates healthy appetite, vital for older adults losing weight unintentionally. Brew as a tea, 1 TSP in boiling water for 5 mins, or soak overnight and add to soups or salads. Combine with plain yogurt to boost protein absorption. Number 3. Poppy seeds. Often seen on baked goods, but these seeds are a hidden gem. Poppy seeds are rich in calcium, phosphorus, and zinc, making them perfect for aging bones. They also provide linoleic acid, a healthy fat that reduces inflammation and supports cartilage. Use 1 TSP daily. Sprinkle on oatmeal, yogurt, or mix with raw honey for a natural fortifying tonic. Make sure you're using food-grade poppy seeds, not ornamental ones. Combine with vitamin K-rich foods like cooked spinach or kale for better calcium absorption. 2. Sprouted pumpkin seeds. Yes, pumpkin seeds again, but this time sprouted. Sprouting activates enzymes, breaks down anti-nutrients like phytic acid, and boosts antioxidant levels. That means better absorption of zinc, calcium, and magnesium. They support stronger collagen formation, reduce cramps, and even improve nerve function for better balance and coordination. Soak raw seeds in water for 8 hours, then rinse and drain twice a day. In 2 to 3 days, they'll sprout. Eat 1 tablespoon daily in salads or smoothies. Number 1. Sacha Inchi. This Amazonian seed is a true superfood for seniors. Sacha Inchi delivers over 60% highly absorbable omega-3, helping reduce deep inflammation, boost circulation, and speed muscle and tendon recovery. It's also packed with complete protein and antioxidants, making it one of the most balanced seeds for restoring strength and resilience. Use cold-pressed oil, 1 TBSP daily, or roasted seeds sprinkled on meals. Never cook with the oil. Heat destroys its properties. For extra collagen support, combine with natural vitamin C from guava, orange, or camu juice. Here's the mistake many people make. They mix these powerful seeds with sugary juices or smoothies. That spike in fructose can block mineral absorption and even increase belly fat. Always pair seeds with whole fruits, water, yogurt, or unsweetened drinks. And don't mix more than 2 seeds at a time. That way, each one can work effectively. Remember, it's not just about adding superfoods. It's about knowing how and when to use them. Be consistent. 1 tablespoon a day, well chosen and well combined, can do more than a shelf full of supplements. These 10 seeds aren't magic, but when used wisely, they can truly help you restore strength, mobility, and vitality, even past your 90s. Which of these do you already use? Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more natural health tips every week. Thanks for watching. And remember, your health is worth the effort.